It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Plum Island, moving east at 25 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Jeffreys Ledge, Buoy 44,098, Essex Bay, Plum Island and Ipswich Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. The following is a summary of watch.